I am very happy today because our parents came here. See, our fancy dress is called Makkala Habba. Myself, Sannidhi, I am studying in 2nd standard. My fancy dress is nature. It means Srishti as we know nowadays. We human are collecting nature. We cut tree. We cut tree no proper way.
Okay, thank you.
Even though we are unaware, I request save nature, save life. ಮನೆಗೊಂದು ಮರ, ಊರಿಗೊಂದು ವನ, ಕಾಡು ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ನಾಡು ಉಳಿಸಿ. ಜೈ ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.